Hey buddies, कितना अच्छा So it's a beautiful day and it was kind of bothering me that I would be wasting it again doing nothing but sitting inside my flat sleeping when a very good friend of mine invited me. So she had actually decided to visit Bhigwan Bird Sanctuary, which is supposed to be nearby, and I decided I'll tag along. So also I was very confused what to put this Wednesday. I thought I would just vlog it, and I know with the lines between weekends and weekdays almost turning non-existent thanks to COVID, we are spending a lot of time inside our homes, which is a good thing. I mean, it's not bad. I love staying inside, but it's nice to get out once in a while, soak in some vitamin D. So yeah, this is my attempt at vlogging. By the way, I know I'm gonna suck. I'm just so awkward with cameras in the public. Anyways, I hope this could be helpful for anyone planning to visit. Okay, see you in the video. Bhigwan is 100 kilometers from Pune and a 2 hours ride. The drive to Bhigwan is beautiful. The roads are in great condition and lined by my favorite, Bougainville. So Punekars, if you haven't visited Bhigwan and you are bored to death and don't want to spend another weekend sleeping, I highly recommend this place. Just put on some nice songs, enjoy the views. Also, do grab something to eat along the way. Most important, do not forget to take some biscuits along. Parle-G or any other brand of your liking. Why, you ask? I'll tell you aage. Just keep watching. If you don't have a car, you could book an Ola outstation like us. It costed us around 3000 rupees, which might seem a little costly at first, but since we were 4 girls and the share would be ultimately divided, it seemed okay. So finally, when you reach your destination, you will have to book this boat. It will cost you around 1000 rupees to have the whole boat to yourself, which is actually pretty reasonable considering what you will get. Also, a huge shout out to our boat wale bhaiya. He was so knowledgeable and kind. We saw a many variety of birds there. Although we were basically there to see flamingos, but he informed us actually that there had not been a sighting of flamingos since early Jan, so that was a bummer. Also, I had asked you to pack some biscuits along with you. This is because here you will get to feed the seagulls and get to see them very closely. Actually, this was the best part of our trip. With the view of the setting sun, we were feeding these birds and they got so close. They all were so beautiful. It was such a calming view, and I would recommend this to everyone visiting this place. So yeah, do pack some Parle-G.
Also, can we please appreciate this beautiful view? I mean, this looks so romantic. I know Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and if anyone is looking for inspo or ideas on how to spend it, I think this is it for Punekars or anyone nearby. Okay, just imagine your date, this view, and some good food, and a lot of talks about life. Perfect.
That's right. Three, two.
So after about over an hour of boat ride, we came back and drove back to Pune. We did stop in between for some snacks, which I forgot to record. I think this is the second worst thing about making YouTube videos after talking to a camera, that you have to record. I always forget recording, but I promise I'll get better. I always do. And on that note, I would end this video here. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe for more such videos. I'll see you next time. Bye.